यस। सो दोस्तों, कैसा रहा आपका संडे? मेरा आज एकदम ज़बरदस्त रहा। तो मैं जो है अब कहाँ से आया पता है? इंटरनेशनल जावा डे था, 16th इंटरनेशनल जावा डे, जो बैंगलोर का जो ग्रुप है, मैं वहाँ पे एक्चुअली जाके आया। तो करीब 400 से ज़्यादा, लगभग 500 बाइक्स थी वहाँ पे। एंड क्या बताऊँ यार, क्या बताऊँ आपको, मतलब वो कलेक्शंस देख के ही मैं बस पता नहीं क्या हो गया यार। क्या बताऊँ आपको। और आई वॉज सो स्ट्रेंज टू नो दैट कि पीपल इवन ओन अबाउट लाइक 15 to 20 ऑफ देम। 15 से 20 गाड़ियाँ भी लोगों के पास है, कलेक्शंस है, पुराने से लेके बहुत पुराने। रॉकी आ गया पीछे, चलो ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, रॉकी हाई बोल लेगा। सो दैट्स द थिंग। सो गाइज, लेट्स go to the venue now. Hey guys, so we are here at this 16th Java Day, 16th International Java Day, and मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ कि यहाँ पे है क्या। एक राउंड देख लो। Hundreds of Jawas Yezdis are parked behind me. कुछ ड्रोन शॉट्स आपको दिखाता हूँ, फिर हम लोग बात करते हैं यहाँ पे है क्या। Man, this place is like crazy. इतने सारा जावा और यज़दी मैंने कभी लाइफ में देखा नहीं था। First time, this is my first time I'm visiting here. So thanks to Satish bhai, Roshan Kamath, and the whole team.
So we are here at St. Joseph grounds to celebrate our 16th International Java Day, which is celebrated on the same day all over the world.
Right.
Today we can see various bikes, which is very rare to sight. We can see on the miniature bikes, the twins, the clutchless bikes, and the sidecar. Many more bikes are yet to come. So in meantime, we can have a look at these bikes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
for inviting.
Thank you.
Glad to be part of this event.
Definitely, it's an honor to have you here, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
क्या मजा। दिस इज रोशन कामत।
हाय बोलो।
बहुत एफर्ट लगा रहे हैं, मैं देख सकता हूँ। जैकेट पहन के क्यों घूम रहे हैं? यू ट्राई रियली। तो रोशन भाई, कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे आप?
This is the 16th Jawa Yezdi day, and we've got close to about 400-500 motorcycles here today. And
So this is only from Bangalore, Karnataka, or people come from other cities also?
people come from other cities. We've got people who have come down from Pune. We've got people who have come down from Udupi.
Okay.
And some small towns around Bangalore have also come
Okay.
to the event today.
Okay, nice man. For me, this is first time I'm visiting this event. अच्छा है। रोशन भाई, आपका कौन सा गाड़ी लाया आप?
I've got 3 bikes today. There's one bike which is kept in the special display there.
Okay.
There is the first Java that is kept in this line.
Okay.
Is mine.
That side. Okay. The old one. That one.
Yeah, that
You
really
didn't
old
paint
Java.
it. You didn't paint it.
It's never painted. It's a 1966 model. It's never painted. As stock as
Oh, the stock paint you have maintained
Yeah.
it. Oh, nice.
from then. So I have about. I think I don't. I shouldn't be telling.
No,
all
no, you
this.
have to tell it.
I have about 15 bikes.
15. Oh my God.
So this is the third bike that I brought here today.
This one, the first one?
This is the twin.
So, Rasan bhai, thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming, Guru. It's a pleasure to have you here.
And we
This is 64 model. This is produced by Jawa. It's an automatic clutch. Doesn't have a clutch lever. And this technology was invented in Java in 62.65. Doesn't have a clutch. Okay. And right now there are 3 bikes running in entire universe.
Okay.
And we are proud to say this is one of them.
So only 3 bikes.
The entire
all
universe.
over.
Yes.
And in India, this is the
This is the only first one.
Oh my God.
Okay. And the patent was later sold to Honda.
Honda. Okay.
In 65.
The clutchless.
Yeah, the clutchless. And this is a 623, 250 twin, one in India.
Okay, this is also one in India.
Yes.
So what is the specialty about this bike?
250 twin.
Okay.
You have many 350 twins.
Okay, so
this
this
is
is the only
250 twin. And this is a 1 down, 3 up gear ratio.
Acha. Okay.
Unlike RX or Japanese bikes. Shashi. I have one more bike.
One more bike?
Yep.
Oh, that one, the grill.
Yeah. 1965.
1965.
65.
Okay.
Okay. And this comes with no snow shield. And comes also with the engine guard here. And it also has a special rear fenders on the mudguards. This is one of the clutters bikes.
Alright, sir.
So there are many, you can see them. Thank you.
So यहाँ पे हमारा विक्रम भाई है, उनके पास बहुत सारे कलेक्शंस हैं।
हाय।
तो भाई क्या क्या है आप बताइए।
मेरे पास एक Jawa 350 twin है
350 twin.
350 twin red one.
That white tire.
With the white wall tire, yes. Then I have the 72 Jawa that's got a lot of imported parts on it.
And also a big
And this, big visor. Then I have the 53 Paran.
Oh, that is 53.
Then I've got
विक्रम भाई वो राजस्थान का है क्या?
Rajasthan से लेके आया था. Then I've got this, very original 81 Road King. It's running on points. And that's a special, edition done by me. It's got an aluminium, bore to it.
This is a cast iron.
This is cast iron. This is a regular one. This is a special
Aluminum. So you made this?
These were used for gliders back in the factory.
Oh, okay.
So I was lucky enough to collect, a few and put them on one. There's one more bike of mine here.
This is an automatic. Shashi.
Shashi automatic I saw. Which
This also got an aluminium bore.
Is that a special race? Something for
Completely
race.
made, yeah. Call it the scrambler or the
That kind of bike. Special. ये किसका है विक्रम?
ये मेरा है.
आपका ही है?
मेरी है.
अरे वाह यार मानना पड़ेगा आपके पास कितने सारे बाइक्स
Daddy, two more bikes are there now.
Couple of them.
Tell me one thing, how many?
In total, I've got 35 plus.
Seriously?
I could manage only 9 today.
Oh my god. So I think you are the one who has all of
I have the entire production series, whichever Ideal Java manufactured. Every one model I have each, including the mopeds,
Oh, the small.
the smaller ones. Yeah.
Daddy,
You have it?
I didn't get it here. It's difficult to get.
Might be the next Java day he'll get all.
No, maybe next time I'll go there. After this his place. Nice man, nice.